Hey yo Mzansi, it's your boy King Ginger, Cream de la Cream. Twana se King Indlovu bafethu. The relationship fixer. I'm the one, the relationship god. I am the one, the relationship striker, the relationship goalkeeper, the relationship defender. My name is King Ginger and we are at Angisakufuni. It's whereby I give people a platform to break up. Uzala kumina, hlukane nendoda yakho, sikunika ithuba. Igama lami ngu-King Ginger. Ngicela ukuthi nisubscribe kule channel so that ngizokwazi ukuthi ngilokhu ngihunt abantu abafuna ukuthi bahlukane ngenze into right. Please subscribe. I'll see you after the break. Hey yo, boom! It's your boy King Ginger, Cream de la Cream. Batsumtimanje, Mabuyo, Bampolunyu, Stars. Welcome to Angisakufuni. On this show is whereby I give people a platform to break up. No way, breaking up now. Hey, what made you go to guys, ngizonikhotela to this other song back in the 90s, EVE. It's EVE, Eve. It's love is blind and it'll take over your mind. What do you think is love? It's truly not. Uzosithola usenjeni yabantu besifazane. Love is blind. It's an American singer. She goes by the name of Eve. Wayenethathu la emabeleni engathi utinyelwa amakati, ngathi inyawo zamakati. Wayemuhle kakhulu ngalezi zikhathi naningakazalwa nina. Phela wonke umuntu obuka la le show uyi-2000 akamazi uEve. Mguguleni. Woza Timothy na uzongixoxela ukuthi bakwenzani ufuna uhlale la. Timothy mfethu angaze ngifunde nawe primary.
Sikaze afunda sonke nje.
Sikaze afunda sonke. Ubufunda kuphi primary?
Bengifunda eTrisanomoro.
Trisanomoro.
Sure.
So eTrisanomoro yini ongathi ufike wayifunda khona in terms of life inabantu besifazane because you were dating eTrisanomoro?
Ya bengijola vele eTrisano. Kahle lapho ngaqala khona ujola vele eTrisano yabona.
Sure.
But vele bebasitshela ukuthi abantu besifazane, abantu besifazane abekho grand vele yabona bayahethana but bengakazi nga-experience leyo nto leyo yabona. So njengoba manje sengimdala manje vele yabona but ngiyayibona ke manje ukuthi life isinzima manje yabona. Because yonke into futhi ayihambi ngendlela nale economy kuyabheda vele emzuzu yabo. Ya.
So Timothy, I want to know from you, umjolo kwenzani?
Uyangimarinate mfethu. Uyangikhabatha mfethu. Kanzima mfethu.
So ubani lo thandana naye ende kwenzakalani?
Utsakani mfethu, uyangikhabatha mfethu lokela. Azi kahle lokela mfethu, azi mfethu ngiyamncanya mfethu yabo ngenhliziyo yabo. But vele sithi izinto zami zingavayi grand yabona mfethu. Sometimes ngiyazama ezumjita yabona ukuthi ngimthengele izinto lezi ezincane mfethu. Okuncane kuyabonga vele. Yabona ngizama ukumthengela lokho okuncane but yena ka appreciate. Manje ngimtshela ukuthi kahle mfethu azini asithi ukuyikhipha mfethu yabona akafuni ukuhamba ngami futhi ucabanga ukuthi maybe mina ngizomhlahlela amehlo because ngizibona ngathi muhle kakhulu yabona mfethu kahle ngikhethile kahle but hayi bese kangibona ngathi nginye into mfethu yena ngincane
so yena akasakutreat the way kumina kutreat ngakhona
ya angibonisi mfethu ukuthi kahle mfethu ngiyancane yabona mfethu akangibonisi kumele ngibonise kahle but yena sila kuyangidistance mfethu
so yini into ufuna ukumtshela yona namhlanje
ngifuna ukumyeka mfethu ngimtshele ukuthi azini mfethu hayi ngcono siyeke direct yabona ngimdedele nakhuleke yabona mfethu nami ngibe grand nami mfethu emoyeni ngithola emoyeni nganami ngizokwenza izinto zakho zibe right. Trust me, ngizokusiza mina mfethu and ngizokusiza ngendlela right. But I want to know from you, kuphume kuwe emlomeni wakho mayefika usisi lana utsutsu ngani mangimbiza kahle mangimbiza ngalo utsutsu kayo utsakani ngimbiza tsakani
wena umbiza tsakani
udla sami mafehlefehle ngithola
ngiyakuzwa baba wami. So my brother, what is it ofuna ukisho emva kwayo yonke lento esikuhlukumezile kule relationship ufuna ukuthini kuyena?
ngifuna umtshela ukuthi azini mfethu ngifuna ukuthi akhululeke kahle ngimtshela ukuthi asengikhathele mfethu dala ngibekezela dala ngimbonisa nami kodwa nawe ayibona ired flag emntwini ukuthi akahlahle umuntu mangasakufuna akasakufuni yabona so ngifuna umdedela ngimtshela ukuthi avaye ayothola le soft life le ukuthi le ayifunayo yayibona
because
ubukisa ngami mfethu confidence yami baphansi futhi yabona
welcome ngicela mfethu ungene ebhasini umdonse nje kahle uma isister sondele khona sizokwazi ukuthi senze izinto zenzeke my brother mina I'm here for you ngicela wena ukuthi uma isystem efika ukhulume konke okukulimazayo ngaphakathi umtshele konke and kunama options ke lana njengoba senilethe ngebhasi nobabili engazi yena ukuthi uzeleni lana ungathanda yini ukuthi emva ukuthi usumtshelile ukuthi awusamfuni usafuna ukuthi sinibuyisele nobabili ngebhasi noma yena simnika u50 aye free agibele itaxi ayibuyelele ekaso wena sikubuyisele wedwa emuva
mela vayedwa mfethu ngona vayedwa
nizwile bafowethu emakhaya kuzobe kungayimina my sister after this simkhombe etaxini Chris uzwile abantu bakhulumile ubufakazi ibona my brother uthini
definitely mfethu etaxini njalo
danko it's about that bafethu at the end of the day uthando baseliphelile luphelile uzani bafethu uye lo
uye lo mfethu kahle
shane into eyishort kanje usho ukuthi ngeke wakhumbule lamathanga amabele
ayishona ngizowakhumbula mfethu bazi
sami sawubona angahlala ngapha mntakama unjani
Mfokeni minjani
hayi mevukile igama lami mina bangibiza Mkondereni but I use King Ginger because abantu abaningi they can't pronounce my real name Mkondereni wena siswami ngubani igama
Tsundzukani Mabunda yeah
so why indoda yakhe kubiza ngoTsakani
wopenga lo angasho ukuthi kunivita kahle
hlanga mfethu
hayi God
phambi kwabantu
sorry baby
hayi mfethu kumele ungihloniphe uyabona into bengisho
ehlisa umoya ngithi usa
ngincane ke
so siswami my brother kade sitshela the way enithandana nice ngakhona na the way umphethe soft ngakhona wena ungathi yini oyithandayo ngaye
I love everything about him. He's so understanding, calm, kind. So yeah, is the one. Yeah,
I love it. But yena kunento afuna ukuthi ayikhulume nawe so that that's why engibizile ukuthi ucela ukuthi sihlale phansi sikhulume ngisacela ukuthi umlalele my brother
yazi Ntsaki baby dala ngifuna ukutshela lento lenazi kodwa ke inhliziyo yami ibimhlungu bengazi ukuthi ngizokutshela kanjani so ingakho ngivele ngabiza uHorman ukuthi lincede yabona ukuthi ngikhulume lento le enhlizweni yami
we keep
mfethu yabo mina nawe sathandana vele since kudala vele sithandana kodwa ke mfethu inhliziyo yami angijabule mangibona kanje because ngihlezi ngikutreata kahle hlezi ngikuthengela awu chocolate yonke into lemnandi awu ultramel into ezimnandi mfethu but wena ungi-appreciate yabo vele mangihamba nabantu vele mfethu sometimes ungibambe ngesandla ungibambe ngesandla mangithi ngizama ukubamba ngesandla isandla sakho sifaka esayidini
it's not like you can't walk for yourself
nah but siyajola baby kumele ukuthi siyajola mfethu nami futhi amajita abacaba ukuthi ngiphethe ishisa lami
so you doing it for amajita or
no angishunela amajita mfethu but ugelo wami noma kumele ungibonise ukuthi ugelo wami yabona mfethu kumele ungibonise vele siyajola yanithola
yeah
futhi ke nalento le futhi uhlezi untshela ukuthi mangifuna ukukhipha out uhlezi untshela ukuthi nabangani bakho uhlezi ubusy usebenza Monday to Sunday like isikhathi sabi uzosithola kuphi isikhathi sami mfethu
but I'm always working for us
no can you understand ukuthi uyayisebenza kodwa mfethu nami ngumjita mfethu ngiyayifuna la ideng le mfethu ugcine nini vele ungipha yona vele dala mfethu
no but love is not enough and then get runs one runs ama-run fanele ntira because awulabi kutira other men are working out there but wena awulabi kwendla nchumu so nifanele endla yini
mfethu
but enjoyment no
I'm always busy for you
yabona mfethu
just grow some balls and be a man
mfethu yabona wena ezumjita mfethu ungahlala isikhathi isibhavi vele ungayitholanga vele uzoshunani vele ngiyumjita
phela wena uyithola kuphi ke makuthi sonke lesikhathi
uzwa ke
time for that I'm always working
uhleza la nomjita lapha endlini ovaye nenye ivuruphala pha mfethu
oh so you are jealous just because you are nothing you are useless you can't work for yourself come on man
yamuthi yenzani mfethu
sister mtshele the way yizo zonke lezi zinto mtshele ukuthi asamfuni ngoba uthi useless
Yabona mfethu uyenza.
Hey, okay, not baby. Hayi indlela leyo nakuranda.
Ndlela yiphi?
No, mara nivula ku ri jealousy for ku ventela munhu le ntirhweni movha.
Wena ufikile lana wathi my brother wa penga. Now who's penging now?
It was not like that. It was not that deep. Come on, Pen.
Mfethu
So wena
sekamblashisa.
So wena why wena njalo uhlala uposta nabafana abasemsebenzini? Different boys. Why you always happy? Usendaweni ezimnandi but you always say you are going to work.
I'm going to work.
Who's this guy wa golf? Who's this guy wa golf?
It's my colleague.
Wangifihla status kwa WhatsApp. Ngabonisa impintshi yami ukuthi uyaposta. Manje ngibuza ukuthi uposte bani athi
So you trust your friend over me or you just want to date your friend?
Hayi mfethu. Hayi mina sengikhathele.
Na Timothy ungazongishwayela la. Na Timothy, you can't be serious. Wena
Timothy. Izomzulu wena. Izomzulu.
Ungazongihlanyisa. I'm working hard for you, stupid nigga.
Hayibo, mfethu. Hawu mfethu, sengizokwata phela mfethu. Sengizokwata.
I'm working hard for you because you can't be mad.
He doesn't love you anymore.
Never.
Angisakufuni mfethu.
Never what?
After everything I did for you.
What?
After everything.
No, he did things for you. He did things for you.
What?
Thuni into zibhayi for wena mfethu.
Chocolate.
His energy, his time, his energy, his time, his protection.
Being there for yena. Being there for yena means a lot.
Uzokhumula yonke
into. Muhlukule. Akhumule yonke into yani. Angithi
vele imali yami musi.
Hayi, awumame mfethu pheshalo
imali yami.
Hawu mfethu.
Bokune camera la ungayivezi ukusebenza ngophambi kwa camera. Abantu bazothi manje wena ufuna ukushaya intombazane.
Slima.
When we
slima. Uningi ukutshela vele Timothy. Hamba uyosebenza njengamanye amadoda awu.
Yamuthi angihlaza.
Why wenza kanje?
Yambona.
Why ujoyina uTimothy kahle?
Wena umtshelile wena uslima. Ngitshelile ngawe. Mina ngithi ngizokenza indoda awufuni.
Timothy wena. Ngoba uyasebenza wena usubona ukuthi Timothy is slim.
No, but I've been Timothy, I've been. Every time you're always
nale rogo lena gqoka ukuthi mhlawumbe ngithengele lona mfethu.
Just because mina
ngiyasebenza futhi benganani imali ugibela itaxi but
what are you sacrificing because you are manless, you are broke?
But he's been there for you even if he's broke. He's been there, his energy.
His energy doesn't pay bills.
Mfethu.
But ube nawe. I-energy ekusiza ekulalela.
Timothy.
What you wanna say?
Baby, calm down. Let's go home. We will fix it at home.
Why?
Baby, please.
Do you see ukuthi abusive?
Unlutho.
Do you see?
Uhleza zenza lento le.
We savele.
Uhleza zenza lento lezi.
Hlala phansi.
Uhleza zenza lento lezi. Hawu. Mina sengikhathele mfethu.
Ngicela amanzi.
Ningamuphi lawa amanzi. Hawu, mina sengikhathele.
Awuthulisa intombi yakho mfethu. Awulenda amanzi, Eric. Ngicela amanzi.
Ngiyamthanda.
Ningamuphi lawa amanzi.
Amanzi mfethu.
Baby, ngiyamthanda.
Hayi, ukade uthini
ngithanda wena, ngiyamthanda. Ngicela ungangishili.
Hayi, siyahamba.
Siyahamba mfethu. Hayi, sengikhathele.
Ngiyafa.
Ubulawa yini? Eric, amanzi mfethu. Uyafa lo muntu. Sokuphunyela nge-hose pipe nangu bafuba mbipayipi.
Hawu.
Uzothula amanzi.
Funa wena woza baby.
Hawu.
Baby woza. Come to me please. Ayeka phela nawe.
Yamuthi yenzani? Ngitshelile into adume ngazo. Mina sengikhathele mfethu angisamfuni.
Khona amanzi engithaba ukulandela wona.
Angisamfuni. Azenzile.
So siswami enye into.
Angisamfuna
yena. Akasakufuni. Enye into engifuna ukuthi uyazi.
Ngeke uzongishiya wena. Ngifuna imali yami. Ngifuna imali yami. Ngifuna imali yami. Abazali bakho badlamini. Ngifuna imali yami.
Phela ngakuthengela le rock.
Ngifuna imali yami.
Ngakuthengela le rock phela ngizokhiphisa yona manje phela.
No uzokhipha you everything is
Yamuthi yenzani? Yamuthi yenzani?
Kodwa sisoma ukusalayo uTimothy akasakufuni and enye into ngesakubuyisela ngaleli bhasi esifike ngalo.
Uzongishiya wena.
Hayi wena.
Ngeke uzongishaya.
Hamba.
Awu.
Ngeke Timothy.
Ngibami mfethu ngizosivayela ngiwa.
We're gonna give you 50 rand. You're gonna take
Never.
a free. Uzogibela free. Ubuyele kini.
Nitafamba imlenge.
Ngeke.
We. Angenithiki.
Hawu. Futhi khipha lecathulo engithekele zona khipha le cathulo bakakhiphe le
Skiphisana icathulo la siswama uye kulokhulo la my brother kuzomela ukuthi
Sola wena
uzoyisola ngani
that sola wena
ngani
everything I'm coming for you, I'm coming for your family, I'm coming for your friends.
Who's gonna leave you? We are coming for you. We are coming for your family and we are even coming for your boyfriends laba bangenilutho nabo aba useless.
At least they're working. They're giving me money. They're doing everything for me. They're spoiling me. Unlike you useless man.
Right inhliziyo yakho ikhabathekile ulimele
ulimele wena
inhliziyo empini phukile
you're broke
ngakutshela ngathi uzokubamba mina
yeah sambe futhi woza lokhu uzazivalela show lo sijwayela kabi lo wena you will walk
show le itafariwa lo
itafariwa
show le
never lalela I want to tell you something
nada we nada it won't end
ukungikhomba lokho
lekuteni kwana kulanza kana
safuna lutho mina
and wena ukubulabula wena ka nokubulabula ngiyakutshela
we inamba lisena kunwabesho kulakhuntata ka wethi
bhe ufuna ukhala futhi
ngifuna igama
thatha wena vele jinja
wena never mina nginondlunkulu wapenga asambeni
dango njami
yeah uyapenga lo yeah awutham yehlisa umoya mfethu how do you feel njengoba usukwazile ukumtshela lo ukuthi awusamfuni
inhliziyo yami mfethu sengihappy njami yabona bengisaba ukumtshela lento lena yabona manje sengikhulekile mfethu sengihappy mfethu angisafuni
nanga welcome uzomnika u50 rand lapha welcome wazi ufakele out ebhasini umyeke lo hamba ogibele pre lowo kwehlisa umoya yeah nawe stupid how nawe you change cishe ngathi uchange
how
you change you bottle of gin
how
Gordons tebabayo awuthemba yeah mfake ebhasini safe manje sengisaba nokuya ngapha asisondelele ngala le ntombazane ngazi ngishaye King Ginger Cream de la Cream angisakufuni it ended in tears this one I thought it was going to be a quick one and hayibo take me straight home this is bullshit now hey yo it's your boy King Ginger Cream de la Cream bathumtimanje umabuyo bambolunye uhlasa welcome to Alibisakufuni on this show is where I give people a platform to break up no way break it up now awuthamaje efonini my sister manje seyifena efonini kubande sicebe bese hey
isishintshile like towards
what made you go to why the people that why the ayiniyasho ukuthi bayibhelishisa mkhulu hayi no ayiniyasho uyasho ukuthi bayibhelishisa inkinga usekhathele isenga